How's it going? So today I'm going to be exploring this ravine. Yeah, there's a bridge up there. It's going to be fun. So I have friends with me, don't worry, I'm not alone. I only can show you their legs because one hasn't done a face reveal, so. Hey, friend, can I show your
this
face?
way.
Yeah. Not you.
Don't do that. I almost fell in when I did that.
I can show you.
I'm due for a fish reveal.
Okay.
You better shout me out.
Okay. Shout out. What was your channel again? S1L something?
S1L3M1.
S1L3N1. Link in the or name in the description.
Martin, why do you have your helmet on?
Oh. I don't know. We're just biking.
Yeah, just try to catch some fish. There's some really cool fish.
Yeah. Oh. I can show you Miles, right?
Hi, yeah.
Yeah, there's Miles.
My name's Jeff. Alright, so guys, this part's gonna be the hardest part. You're gonna have to come up here and then go all the way back up there. Yes, we are.
Hey, fun.
But it's pretty hard. What you wanna do is you wanna dig your nails into it.
Wait,
Can you
see your face?
whatever.
Okay.
Hi. All right. Can you do this?
Oh.
I'm gonna try to climb.
So guys, what you wanna do is you wanna try to dig your fingers, dig your nails, and fall in it.
This was a terrible idea.
Yes.
I have a broken foot. Why are we doing this?
Maybe we should do this. Oh yeah.
I have a sprained ankle.
Maybe.
Maybe. Here,
Let's
let's go over here, okay? Yeah,
Eston, you're the only one who didn't hurt their foot. You're fine.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, here we go.
Hey Miles, could you hold my not this one, but no, my screen thing. This. Sorry.
This?
Sorry, technical difficulty. Thank you. Yeah, I have like I have this black like protect thing that protects my screen, but the problem is you can't show like a camera. Also, I forgot to tell you, I took over my friend's
Yeah, oh, hey.
I took over my friend's
I'm gonna go
like video.
Okay, we're
so
gonna be over there, okay?
he's
By
a
the
cool
creek.
too. He's
We're gonna be by the creek,
He
okay?
just wants to be famous.
Huh?
So there's him. We'll get a closer look next time.
No, you didn't. They don't live here.
What? Oh, this is sick. This is so cool.
Okay, you can airdrop that video to me too for the video.
Oh, yeah.
Or text it, whatever.
Yeah, okay.
Yay, double.
It's just YouTube stuff.
YouTube politics.
Only YouTube. YouTube politics. T-Series with PewDiePie. Dream or Mr. Beast? Dream. Technoblade or Dream? It depends. I think Technoblade might be a little funnier, but Dream's like...
Hey, pumpkin.
Technoblade's just dead inside, and that's the funny part about him. That's why we love him. And Dream's just like funny. He's just amazing at Minecraft. And we all love his laugh. Oh yeah, I just threw that Coke. Don't worry, I didn't litter, I just kicked it more. It was already on the ground. Okay, we're going down here now. Going down here.
Do not try this at home.
Oh yeah, don't try this at home. Even when you have a broken leg. Oh god. Oh crap.
Oh shit.
Hey,
How does this work?
hey Miles, can you take both of these for a sec?
Here, let me. I have a better way of getting across.
Miles, you're leaving me hanging. One sec. Okay, we're going back up here. I found a way. I am the way. Show me the way. Oh God! Take a screenshot of that. Screenshot of that. Here you go, guys. Thank you. Here you go. Yeah. Take a screenshot of that. That's beauty right there.
You don't want to do that.
Yeah,
The real thing that you want to do is just come down here, and then you want to jump right over there.
oh wow, that was oof.
There's actually a better way of doing that.
I still have a cast on.
There's a way better way of doing that.
One more week.
So what you want to do, you guys, let's try to catch some fish.
Oh, I see the way.
Guys, let's try to catch some fish.
Okay.
Gather in.
My pants are cut. So what I'll do? Okay.
Oh yeah, Patrick, watch this. When you have
Football. I almost get fouled. Oh jeez. Oh jeez Louise. This is terrifying.
Hey, Larkin.
Yeah?
You know what my phone?
Oh sure. I'm like a cameraman. Yeah, this is fun. I really don't want to drop your phone. Just drop it. Okay.
watch this.
Hello,
Point the camera at me.
people.
That's easy.
What is he doing?
Yeah, I know. Be dramatic for the camera.
This is dramatic for the camera. Don't worry, we're not like that. This is totally me. This is real life me. This is my life. This is me, the lame old me. I'm an excellent YouTuber. 14 subs. Okay. Oh wow. Oh no, I'm all muddy now.
Larkin, pass me the phone with the harder case.
I took off the case. You have the case.
No, the stronger case, whichever one has the
Where did you put the case, Miles?
It's in my pocket.
Okay, good. Okay, this phone has the harder case.
Give me the other one.
Okay. Hello. Be good.
Okay, yeah, sorry about that. That was just
Okay, give me
camera passing.
Give me it back.
Back to Larkin. Hi, Bubba.
Yeah.
Take
Hi.
the other phone.
Oh, that's fun.
There
That's
you
so satisfying.
All right,
Where are you?
take the other phone.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm back. Don't worry. Don't worry. This is actually, the people well, this is so confusing.
Yeah?
So, oh God. Oh no, we're dying. We're dying inside. Oh, go check out my new Herobrine videos in Minecraft. So, yeah. Today is currently Saturday. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This isn't good. Oh no. Woo! This is fun. What? Oh, so here's my face. Hi. Hi, people. How's it going? Okay, I'm flipping it back. I should. Yeah, oh,
Larkin, camera.
oh God.
Teresa.
This is my phone's acting for the camera. This is not working.
No, just point it at me.
Oh, here you go.
Hi.
That's a beautiful mile you want to look at. I can't believe I'm too much talking and I barely even know what I'm doing. Okay. Jump. Oh, broken foot. Not good. Okay, I'm going under. Here's the log. Going under. Okay. We really need to edit this video. This is going to be really complicated for the viewers.
I got you.
Oh. Okay. People. People. This is dangerous. Don't try this at home, especially with
Trying to find the loose
a
rock.
hurt
This
foot.
rock's loose.
A hurt
Larkin, right
foot.
here. This is a loose
Maybe.
rock.
But we are free, basically. We are free hurt foots here. One's cracked. One's we're not sure.
That's just.
And
Or
once-
two.
You don't want to go that way.
Two,
You
we're
won't
not
be able to
sure.
get there. What you want to do
Oh,
is you want to go
Jesus.
past here.
I almost just died.
Here.
Okay.
You almost just died.
Hey, Aston, do you want your camera back?
I got it.
Okay, here's the.
I'm gonna do some hard.
Parkour. Who's seen the office?
Is that
That's a
like
good
the
show.
world's biggest baseball bat?
There's a baseball bat here? Jesus. That's not a baseball. Is that a pole or something? What is that?
That's a freaking. It's a baseball bat.
It's a baseball. What is it? It looks like a baseball bat, but I'm not sure. Okay. Someone take.
I
Someone
probably
take.
went the wrong way, didn't I?
Did someone take the camera?
Did I go the wrong way?
No, you didn't.
Did someone take the camera?
memories.
Hey, people.
Patrick, did you take Larkin's camera?
Yeah.
I'll take him.
Take the camera. Take the camera. Just take this one.
I
I'll keep my own. Hey, people.
So, hey, there's
go.
Larkin. You struggle with YouTube.
Yeah. Struggling.
I don't think. How
Guys,
did
what you want to
I'm
do?
struggling in every way. I'm really going up here. I'm not scared of flipping and going like that. Oh wow. That's cool. Oh, this is dangerous. Don't try this at home, kids. Actually, just this actually is at home. This is just don't try it. Whee! Oh, hang on, that's all I got. Oh my God, there's the creek right there. It might look. Oh no, I got it. Oh wow. Okay. I just fell. I just completely failed, guys. Guys, I failed. I need help. I died. Look at this. I died. Oh. I completely scary.
Oh, not Larkin's getting in.
Scary. Okay. Oh God. Why am I the camera guy? Wait. Who's faster than Flash? The camera guy, because he's the one recording.
Yes, Africans.
Larkin, you have to do that.
What?
This.
Why? Jeez, I have to do that.
Patrick, is this
You
pretty
can't see
rotting
it.
inside?
No, it's not.
This is terrifying. Why are we killing ourselves? Like, the bridge is like all the way over there.
Yeah, the bridge that we came down is like on the other side of the ravine. It's like pretty close. Oh, shoot.
Hello.
I almost broke my foot.
Oh my God. I can't get out. I can't get on or in or anywhere or live or anything. Oh God. Here's the log. Isn't that interesting? While I slowly kill myself. Yeet.
I did that my first time doing it.
Okay, this is terrifying. Oh God.
Is it better to crawl, Eston?
I don't know.
Eston, is it easier to walk? Is it easier to walk it or crawl it, Eston?
Oh Jesus.
Eston, walk or crawl? Oh, jeez. Eston, walk or
was-
crawl? What's
That
easier?
was a whiskey transaction. Here's Miles' head. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, Eston,
That's rude. He's rude.
is there a better way to? Oh, I see a better way to get across. Might actually be better for Larkin too, because he has a broken foot.
True. Yeah. Actually, okay. It might be better content, but I'm too scared. Oh
Do
God.
you think it'll hurt if I jump from here? No.
I'm finding my way. Oh, I have a water bottle in my pocket. I have a water bottle. That's good. I'm in. No, I'm in.
Oh, alright, so guys,
Okay. We're
you're fine. Guys,
parkour. Oh crap! My foot's wet.
Alright, guys.
Why did my foot have to be wet?
I got a rock right here. That will be. I got a rock right here that might be a good stepping stone.
Yay!
You actually can someone grab that? Easy.
Eston is
You
are
are
right.
a stepping stone.
I've got a rock right here that might be a good stepping stone. So
Oh yeah, there's the bridge.
I'm like, who needs stepping?
Wait, actually, no, I can zoom in. Zoom.
It's actually not that.
I'm zooming in on everyone's face.
Wait, how did it get farther than this?
Wait, guys, look at this. How far does this go? Oh, this goes to the lake, like Michigan.
Yeah, guys, you want to go to the lake?
No, we're not going to the lake.
yeah, we can.
No, we're not.
Hey, bro, that's
No, what? Stop what's up.
Hey,
We don't need stepping stones.
Hey, Larkin kind of sucks, though.
Why am I? Guys, come this way. Let's see
Oh,
over
crap.
here.
Oh crap! Parkour! Parkour! Oh, that was good.
Here. Wait, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Let's
It's
do it.
mountain boy.
Type.
Mountain boy.
Here, Patrick, can you get the camera?
Can't. Oh my God, it's Mountain Boy. Mountain Boy is a mythical thing we basically created.
Guys, let's just take the normal way now.
Cowabunga, that's for sure. Did we get back on our bikes? That's the thing that everyone else kind of on, but I have a broken leg. Oh God. Oh wow. I have a feeling I shouldn't be doing this. I just threw something. I'm such a savage. Yeah. Plant. Jeez, these plants are humongous. Humongi. These are humongi plants. Big plants. Big plants. They're in the Jurassic world. Yeah. We just see Bigfoot. Oh! Crap. Jesus.
Oh shoot, you have to get up there.
I'm zooming in. Oh crap! Zoom. Why am I the camera guy? I'm like the worst person to be the camera guy.
Exactly.
I'm also like the second. I want all your subscribers. No more shout outs for you, Patrick.
Oh, should have spray paint. Oh shoot.
We're not putting. Oh! I'm taking a picture. Creepy. That's why I'm taking another one. Safety first. Oh, there's a lake over there. Yeah. I'm just telling the viewers. Yeah. I got like 6 subs in a week. What?
Dang, I got 1 sub in 3 weeks.
Good job, Patrick. Good job. Oh, there's a lake. Like, this is gonna fill. Oh, fish. Fish. Okay. What? Oh my God. What? This is gonna take up all my storage. Okay, guys. Once we get to the lake, I'm ending it. Mission to the lake. Dun, dun, dun. We're trying to be funny here, so please subscribe. I put a lot of work into these videos. It took how long is this? How long has this been going on? Jeez Louise, we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Should I just like add a meme at the end of this? The big meme? Then I just see Poseidon. Oh, this is so cool. That's cool. Okay, now we're going up. Okay, guys. In 1, 2, 3. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, guys, I'm ending it. Now we're